Hi guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Please disregard my voice. I've been sick and out for the count, but I finally got the strength to get up and to film a video for you guys today. It's been like resting on my mind. I'm like, I should check. And so I'm finally going to do that. I'm so thirsty, my throat is so dry, but I didn't want to go ahead and drink water to dilute my urine. And so that's what I'm up to. Today I am, I believe, 11 days post, but if things occur the way they typically do for me, where I don't ovulate when Glow tells me, I typically do a whole day later every time. If not another day later, technically I'd be 10 days post, or maybe even 9. So far I've tested along the way. I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling pulling out the camera, even though I was feeling like dirt. I tested for my own self, and we're here. I felt a little discouraged because I'm so far along right now in terms of being 11 days post, but technically 10, because I know I do not ovulate according to when the app tells me. It always discourages me when we reach so far at this point, even though I know people don't get their big fat positives until, some people don't get it until like the day they miss their period, if not even after. They can be up to 6 days late before, or they can be even late before even getting a positive. It's just so nerve-wracking. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and test. I'm just using a dollar store one. I've already gone ahead and opened it. Gonna open this and I'm gonna test. It's kind of weird. I'm not sure if I gave it an extra drop there because I was hovering the Doppler over it, and I think one accidentally dropped in, and then I did go ahead and put 3, but it wasn't moving, so I had to add another. Oops, I hope I didn't put too much. Seriously, I'm not expecting it to be negative this time for some weird reason, just because I feel like I've had so many symptoms this morning. I've had so much cramping down there. I don't usually have cramping like that. I've had achy boobs, and I know that can go hand in hand with like your period, just like progesterone and stuff increasing. But I don't know. For some reason I just kind of felt pregnant this month, but maybe it's just in my head. Oh, I had to sit down. So I do not feel very well, but I don't think I'm seeing anything. So it's a big no from what I'm seeing. I marked on my calendar that I ovulated the day after Glow told me. So today I am, I think, 11 days post. I'm going to check right now. Yeah, that would make me exactly 10 days post today. So, I mean, I guess I'm not out, but usually for me, I would pick up on it. But if I did in fact ovulate even later, it could take a while. Like, it all depends on when I ovulate, right? Still try to be positive. Because it's so stark. I can't even see a line. Like, I felt like I saw a line at like 6 days post, but I knew better that was an evap line. Now this has like no line at all. Not even a hint of a line. Which I can say thank God for, because those hints are so stressful, and they're so, those hints they're painful. because you think it's something, but it's not. Yeah, I don't see anything. Okay. And I don't have any other tests to test. They could say use a first response, but I'm over those days. I'm not using expensive pregnancy tests when I'm not even pregnant. It's a waste of my money. I'm going to keep using the cheapies until I get a hint of something, and then I will go out and pick one of those up. So that's where I'm at, guys. I didn't post a lot of the live pregnancy test this month because I wasn't feeling it, but I do have some sit-down videos planned, sharing some other stuff that I have TTC related and not, that I want to share with you guys. I've been out for the count, I've been sick, you can still hear it, and I'm struggling here, but I really wanted to make this video for you guys, so I hope you guys aren't too mad about my voice. Hope you can still hear me, and your girl is still up, and yeah, y'all can still hear me, and you are all right with this video. So thanks for watching, guys. I think I will test from now on to share with you guys. I did have like 6 pregnancy tests at the beginning, but I've been taking them for my own self to check. I just wasn't in it for like filming. I don't know why. I just did not, I felt off, and also I was sick. So I think that probably played a big hand in me just wanting to check for myself. So being that I'm 10 days post today, I will do a few other tests for you guys along the way, 10 days, 11 days, and so forth. I'm trying not to read into any of the symptoms that I've been feeling. Like I said, there were achy boobs, bloated tummy, and my boobs would ache on and off. What else are they? Oh my gosh, there were specific ones. I can't even remember. Achy boobs, bloated tummy. Oh, cramps. That was a huge one for me. I had a lot of cramps. I had cramps at like 6 days post cramping, and then I had cramping at 8 days post. I even had a little bit of cramping yesterday, which was 9 days post. So I tried looking it up, and people said when they had cramps, they got their big fat positive a few days later. So I'm seeing if that's just a hint that my period's coming, or if it's a hint that I might be pregnant. Sorry for the quality of this video as well. I'm just filming it on my phone because my camera just died on me. So I went to go plug the battery in. And yeah, no excuses. My phone does a pretty good job, and I don't think it's that bad. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun videos. And if you want to follow my journey outside of TTCing, like you get to see the other side of me, I'm on Instagram at My Blossoming Journey, a name that I might change because it doesn't reflect who I am on Instagram. It's not, I find it difficult to vlog TTC every day, all day when I'm talking about it here on YouTube. That's just too much for me. So I vlog different, I share different aspects of me on there pertaining to different things pertaining to motherhood for me. So definitely check it out, and much love, guys. Bye.